Overwhelmed by the daily grind of running your business? Feel like you're swimming against the tide? The solution is at your fingertips with the 18 ChatGPT Checklists for Business. This comprehensive collection of PDF checklists is crafted for anyone managing a business, ensuring that no crucial task falls through the cracks. It's not just a set of checklists, it's your roadmap to a seamless and efficient business operation leveraging ChatGPT's capabilities. The 18 ChatGPT Checklists for Business dives into automated business management, providing a step-by-step collection of PDF checklists that unveils the secrets of streamlining operations, increasing efficiency, and reducing errors. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or a budding business owner, these PDF checklists are designed to elevate your business management game, ensuring every process is honed to perfection. Embrace a new era of business management with ChatGPT. The 18 ChatGPT Checklists for Business is more than just a set of checklists. It's your companion in navigating the landscape of AI-assisted business operations. Discover how to accelerate your business growth without compromising on quality, ensuring you stay ahead of the competition. Don't let the intricacies of business management bog you down. Click the link below to download your 18 ChatGPT Checklists for Business and step into a realm of ease, efficiency, and excellence in business operations. Remember, success in the business domain is a blend of the right tools and timely action. Your journey towards becoming a successful entrepreneur begins with a single click. Seize the opportunity to redefine your business management journey now. Click the link below to download the 18 ChatGPT Checklists for Business and embark on the path of unbounded business growth.